I copied a Facebook video and modified it, and I was able to monetize that Facebook video on my Facebook page, and I've been using this strategy to grow my Facebook page, and you too can do it. And a lot of gurus have been doing that, growing their Facebook page. So in this video I'm going to show you how to copy someone's video, modify it, and monetize that particular video on Facebook. Facebook doesn't really care how you get views. All they want is that you are getting these views, and once you are monetized you start making a lot of revenues, unlike YouTube that the source of your views matters a lot and the kind of niche. So I'm going to show you how to copy people's video and monetize it. So without wasting time, let's proceed to our Facebook page.
Log in to your Facebook, click any viral video like this, click shared, and then click copy link. Minimize and head on to your Chrome browser. On the address bar, search save from net and click on search. All you need to do is to click the first link, save from net. Paste the link you copy from Facebook in this space provided, enter URL, and then click enter, and then click continue to download in your browser, and your video start downloading automatically. Once downloaded, you can see it. Click the three dotted line, click download. Look at our video here. Just now it has been downloaded. Let's verify. You can see it's the video we got from Facebook. We minimize, head on to our CapCut. Click on that video we downloaded from Facebook and click add, and the video will be imported to your CapCut. Now let's take our video to the normal ratio of 9:16 by clicking ratio aspect. Click 9:16 mark. Now let's import any recorded video of yourself, like my recorded video of mine, and then we'll overlay it. So trace overlay, scroll to the right, overlay, click on add overlay. We now select any recorded video like this one here. I'll click on it and then click add. I've overlaid the video. We need to resize our video, so use your hand to adjust the video using your two hands and then move it down. Once done, you can crop your video to reduce the size of the video by scrolling to the right and select transform. So transform, then click resize and adjust your video so that it will be small and it will not block the entire video. Now you can see we adjust it to the downside and we are done. To add a recorded voiceover, click audio, scroll to the right and click on record. Now tap the record button and record your voice while the video play, like a narration or explanation of the video to your audience. Once done, click the mark button, and the next thing you need to do is to make sure that both the video we downloaded from Facebook and the video we imported, the video of yourself like mine, we make sure they align. So we'll go to the edge and then we split the imported video to make sure they align. Click the imported video, click split. Trim the edge by clicking delete. Now we need to export our video by clicking export, and our video is exporting. Click done, head on to your gallery to verify and check on the video for any correction, and then upload it on Facebook, and that's all.